Dear learners, today we are going to talk about paragraph writing. Paragraph can be defined as a collection of related sentences dealing with a single topic. The basic rule in paragraph writing is to keep one idea to one paragraph. It means that the idea should be one and all the sentences in a paragraph, they should relate to the same idea. So that is what is requirement about a paragraph. If there are different sentences about different things, so they are united together, they cannot form a paragraph. So it is important for a paragraph that the idea should be one and the same. Moving on to the elements of paragraph, there are four elements: unity, coherence, a topic sentence, and adequate or suitable development. Coming to our first element, unity. Unity can be defined as the idea, which is the focus or the focal point of the entire paragraph. So if the sentences in a paragraph, they are related to one idea or one focus or one point, then the paragraph will have unity. Coming to the second important element, that is coherence. So coherence can be of two types. One, which is formed by logical bridges, and the second, which is formed by verbal bridges. Coherence basically means logical development in a paragraph, means it makes the readers easily understand paragraph. And when it comes to logical bridges, we can say that the same idea is carried from one sentence to another sentence. Means the sentences, they deal with the single idea. And successive sentences can also be constructed in parallel form. So this is what will give logical bridge to your paragraph writing. Second is verbal bridge. Verbal bridges, they are formed by the repetition of the words which are key words, which are important words, and they can be in the form of synonyms, they can be in the form of pronouns, they can be transition words. So there are two types, logical and verbal bridges, which are important to paragraph writing. Then we have the third important element, that is a topic sentence. Topic sentence indicates the idea or thesis. It is the crux of the paragraph. As regards topic sentence placing in a paragraph, so it can be placed in the beginning, it can go in the middle, and it can also occur at the end of a paragraph. But it is always advisable for the new writers, the ones who are beginners, that they should place topic sentence at the beginning. In the very first sentence should be the topic sentence, and then they can weave around it the other sentences, and it will make their paragraph coherent and unified. So this is always advisable to keep topic sentence in the beginning for the ones who are writing from the start. Then we move to the fourth element, adequate development. Adequate development is the full development or discussion of the basic idea or thesis. So that there is satisfaction of the audience or the readers about your paragraph. They are satisfied with what you have given them. So that is what we call as adequate development. There are some other useful tips or useful ways which if you take care of them, then they can help you in developing your paragraph in a refined, in a well way. First of all, we have the use of examples and illustrations. So they will give your paragraph worth. They will really make your paragraph understandable for the audience or for the readers. Then there are certain terms in the paragraph. If you define those terms, then your paragraph becomes a strong paragraph. Then the topic, which is the topic of your paragraph, if you analyze the topic, so that can also be the way of developing your paragraph in a good way. Then there is another important thing which you can do to make your paragraph a strong paragraph or a good paragraph, and that is citing of data. That is, you can give certain facts, statistics, evidence, which is important, which is well proven evidence, and you can also add some other details to your paragraph. It will strengthen your paragraph and it will make your readers understand your paragraph in a good way. So these are important things which are related to paragraph writing. Hope you have got the idea. Another important thing which I would always recommend is that what they say that well begun is half done. Try to have the beginning of your paragraph a very strong beginning. It should really capture the interest of your readers, and then the thing will start happening for you. The paragraph will give a good look and it will be impressive paragraph. Hope you have got the idea. And if you like it, do subscribe and share. Thank you very much.